Whole grains provide you with fiber, keeping you satiated while also aiding digestion. Fruits and vegetables are other great allies in your breakfast for weight loss journey. Adding a handful of fruits or colorful veggies to your meal can enhance the flavor and texture while increasing your nutrient intake. Think of a vibrant smoothie bursting with strawberries, spinach, and a hint of pineapple, or a refreshing fruit salad that combines juicy melons and zesty citrus. These bright, colorful foods are low in calories, yet high in fiber, making them perfect for weight management. Lastly, remember to stay mindful of portion sizes and added sugars. Even healthy options can lead to weight gain if consumed in excess. Consider using a smaller plate or bowl to help control portions and avoid adding sweeteners or excessive toppings. The key to a successful breakfast for weight loss lies in balance and variety. With these mindful choices, you can enjoy a breakfast that not only satisfies your taste buds, but also aids in your weight loss journey.